10-step Korean skincare routine for healthy and glowing skin. Here is an easy 10-step Korean skincare routine for you. Double cleanse. 1. Oil-based cleanser. The first step is to use an oil-based cleanser to remove all dirt and pollution from your face and cleanse your pores. 2. Water-based cleanser. The next step is to use a water or foam-based cleanser that will help to rid you of oil and the sweat collected in the pores of your skin. 3. Exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating helps in removing all the dead skin cells accumulated on your face over time. Choose an exfoliator depending upon your skin type, and do not overdo it. 4. Tone your skin. Using a toner can help in removing any remaining dirt or dust from your face and balance your skin's pH levels. It also helps in tightening your skin pores to reduce any blackheads or whiteheads. 5. Apply essence. A skin essence is a water-based face serum that has a targeted approach. For instance, you can use it to lighten your skin and reduce pimples, acne, scars, black spots, etc. 6. Use a serum. After using a toner, applying serum helps moisturize your skin and helps treat various skin problems such as premature aging, hyperpigmentation or dryness. 7. Apply a sheet mask. Sheet masks are excellent in deeply nourishing your skin with vitamins and minerals to make your skin healthier and hydrated. 8. Use eye cream. Under eye skin is one of the most sensitive skin parts on your face and shows signs of premature aging earlier than other parts. Use an eye cream that will help in hydrating the skin and nourish it. 9. Moisturize. Do not forget to moisturize your skin, as it is one of the most vital steps in all skincare routines. Use a moisturizer suitable to your skin type. 10. Apply sunscreen. The last but not the least step is to apply sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin from sun damage. All of these steps are a very important part of the Korean skincare routine and should be followed for the best results. Are you going to try this 10-step Korean skincare routine for healthier and glowing skin? Let me know in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, share this with your family and friends. Thank you.